Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Nasruddin Biasnan. My matric number is A1A0304. I will present about my internship practical training at Konica Minolta Holdings. So I will explain about the table of content. First is background of company. Second is scope of exposure to students. Third is contribution to the company. And fourth, suggestion for the improvement. Five is challenge for task execution. And six, added value in student knowledge. Okay, for first, I will explain about the background company. Konica Minolta Business Solutions Sdn Bhd has come a long way since the incorporation of City Marketing Sdn Bhd in 1981 as the trading arm of Konica Minolta Business Solutions, formerly known as Minolta Singapore. CMSB was initially set up to take over control of Minolta camera business in Malaysia. Consecutive years of growth transformed the company into a valuable player in local office automation industry. CMSB take on name change to Minolta Marketing Sdn Bhd in August 1988. In August 2003, Konica Corporation and Minolta Corporation integrated their respective management and established a holding company. Konica Minolta Holdings include founded on the concept of creating an entirely new corporate group. After the management integration on 1st October 2003, company name was changed to Konica Minolta Business Solutions and never had to reflect a stronger identity. Konica Minolta also Japanese multinational technology company headquartered in Tokyo with office in 49 countries worldwide. Konica Minolta also has become one of the largest organizations and has the widest network in the local office automation industry with 12 branches throughout Malaysia. So the place that I internship also located at Petani Jaya, Section 13 Selangor, and its operation since 4 July 2014. So my internship was I'm doing the business administration that will help a client to scan the documentation of property. So Konica Minolta mission is to aim to contribute to a global community by creating ever greater value and excellence. The standard corporate citizenship is fully upheld through the numerous social contributions such as environmental protection measure, recycling program, as well as environmental friendly consumables. We have been awarded the German Blue Angle marks as well as meeting the qualification for the International Energy Star Program. Konica Minolta also has increased its awareness and emphasis on total customer satisfaction. Konica Minolta dedication is in this regard will prove to be the key to Konica Minolta corporate brilliance throughout the coming century. Next, I will explain about the scope of exposure to the students. So in my internship, I will do the document digitalization for Sunway property. So the process is transforming paper document into a digital format. So every document that we receive from Sunway property, we will scan it and return it to the image in PDF. So this process is easy to maintain, store, retrieve, and the process. Then we will do the scanning document that given by client and converting it into PDF. So we have a lot of project that we need to handle in a client side. So day by day we will just do scanning, sorting and compile the document. Contribution of this Konica Minolta company, uh, I as a internship need to achieve 3,400 sheet of paper per day need to scan. If we have entered the scanning department, we have a three department that's for scanning, sorting and compile. So the minimum we need to achieve for scanning is 3,400 per day, and the maximum is 5,000 per day. Uh, our supervisor asked us to achieve the KPI every day in scanning document. So if the project done for each property, we need to scan the next new project after we done the latest project. Next, I will explain about the suggestion for improvement. So, improvement that we Konica Minolta needs to do is a scanner machine. The scanner machine need to be durable, heavy duty, and will need to increase the speed. So if the scanner can increase the speed, that we can scan with 10,000 of sheet of paper, and need have to scan speed each sheet of paper with a good condition, and the scanner also need to improve from unpleasant noise and scanner jams. Next is automatic document feeder ADF capacity. So the capacity need to increase because it can support huge amount of sheet capacity, as high as 3,000 sheet per scan. Next, I will explain about the challenge of the task execution. And this about the new project, new personnel in charge. Each project that needs to digitize has different personnel in charge in that project. So different instruction will be given for us for each document, and it will make it bit confusing, especially during scanning process. One way to solve it is by openly communicating with the supervisor and asking about the problem he faced. So the supervisor will ask the personnel in charge how to do the projects and make it so clear. So for the added value, we need to hardworking, and we need to try to learn and understand many things at work. Focus first on difficult things and learn as much as possible until you are be able to master them. Thank you. Only that for me.